always say that managing radio personalities or managing people who are stars is like managing egos.
Yeah.
It's not easy because obiya boss obiya trimono. That's not how it is, but that's just an example. Because imagine that there's the likes of Kwame Sekyere, and then there is NYDJ here, there is Kwame Poku here, all under one roof. These are people known. Switching it to the legal profession, Obia feel say Mako 6 years and now 7 years, me a lawyer because I no first generation lawyer when the busi mtino menkasa lawyer for your hand time baby and now free say so we senior on so back. How is it for you managing all these classes of people in various firms? Because all firm non nyoma wo dia training in another firm, maybe there's a way they are raised, there's a standard they are supposed to follow. How do you merge and manage all these people to become the Ashanti Bar?
See, also I told you about my beginning, how I even got to where I am now. In a law profession also, if I say nipa be trim say you be a sebi and munyam ewum. So him said munyam uma. And you can so to say and munyam nase.
Right.
That is the first thing you have to know.
Okay.
And sebi say o say a lawyer. Enrechi and enra no be a lawyer. Enwa baba beto no. Inti ye training no. Yes, because uju be asem now kan yesum na wosum no enti also obra ho ase na adwuma na esi de ban se usua na wo de ye enti se o kase leadership se de mekan oba panyinfo a me senior but also ye the president.
Okay,
but me di buo ema obia lawyer bia so ya akra and men can say
yeah, here,
but oba adwuma no mu encheye oye young at the bar say wanyini say onyini ye de otie bia oye lawyer first ebuo enye ade a wo ye say obi che on ne man nti o so di ebuo mu bia. That is how ye tete ye yejuma na yesi seniority so nti senior bia no wo de ebuo no ma no na junior no so no or your colleague. The only difference e wo mu aye say wo ba adwuma no na ache ba be say obi e bia CEOs your CEOs bia omo eye law now owi a or a young lawyer
but you see you baby, right?
Let me cite one example. Unim lawyer Kesben Mr. Kese.
Yes, Claudia Kese, Papa.
Yes, ne ba cry a lawyer.
Aye.
But even as a lawyer, any day unim doing this man still humbles himself as a lawyer, a young lawyer, and the difference between no as CEO and no, or the boma ne colleagues. I mean, but he employ, he can employ me, he can employ others, but a human no. Or the need buono, Emma Ubia Esefata. And Sana Ubia so also ye. Ubi on my any subine.
A boom de mano.
Yes, no sa no crowd, na ye leader no. You still have to manage them.
Absolutely.
A management because Ubia or the ope any the ompe. But a human idea says no any that me de no. As a lawyer, that's my first is to the profession. My duty is to protect the profession, its image. Be a course as a lawyer. Be a say a penny cry na oya dear nenya. You require if I saw no. I deal with judges. I deal with circuit court magistrates. I deal with court clerks. I deal with even when you go to court and you see some of the clients coming, you still have to respect them. It's how you deal with them. Now, Oshe, yeah, was a unu bia sebi oma wa non kobro you nkasa oye sebi president inti obroso. The only thing bia betimi aka sebi abako court na bia me pente na mesre se eno kran mesre. Me sorry nkasa bia me president frame case man. No, I will not do that. But just that we do say ukona
senior if any case and senior fraud
ya fraud but e bia na bibi nti usre ya chire sa ne manyina eno ne de adwuma nti it doesn't mean say be we president now we executive nti no obetimi amma beti so mom do koy no mo abesi ufom no besi ufom.
Lawyer, you mentioned that now there are lots of lawyers. In fact, every year during the court to bar, there are so many, and there are more to come. Make me joining. Dimisumeba ni paradoso. Because the firms are limited. I mean, to me, I have done a little survey, and I think say Ashanti region Krani more firms send just 700. In Ruho baby Accra, but there are lawyers more than.
I don't think it's firms as we call it will be more than 250.
Okay, but there are more than 700 or more than 200 lawyers. As the president, what are some of the initiatives? Modi Gwa Kwema say freshly minted lawyers no more bano. At least Obia Benya baby anywhere, because what I know about the profession is that I as a driver no. Say practice here be an uncle. So you need a firm to start lawyers. I will say
we all come from who experience
what are some of the plans, in the pipeline for issues like these?
Let me address this concern. Yes, it is true, say lawyers are being produced, but the question is, do we need them? The answer is yes. We need more lawyers. In fact, your editorial office, you need a lawyer there. But there are so many things happening at the radio stations that if you had to take you people on, most of the radio stations will collapse. Because we'll be suing you and all that. Your editorial policies, what you do on air, more validity, more rules, more ethics, baby. Krum have baby, also, yaka, onti, eba, niafa, eti. Uko police station, we need lawyers as police. Fortunately, we are having police officers. Omo law no wherever we find ourselves, we need lawyers. So it is not only seeing people putting on the robe and then the gown and the whip. And I won't say lawyer Juba. No, I told you, say litigation is just a fraction of what we do. Yes, about people you have to be trained under lawyers, but there's supposed to be companies in a more legal department. I also almost a training and American say you should have a legal department. It can be one or two senior lawyers, maybe training more, or as a when I say beyond now before some becano, we share the legal implications of it. I assume look, you were talking about opese warrior koto ring what has ring got to do with our ear?
Sending the other say you're married and
but maybe any one of my chest say oko warrior or so shekawa.
Oh
no, none of the laws that we have. No.
There's a we have permission from the law to even breathe.
Oh, now say a friend say your friend say a frama I was say a hunty. Your Environmental Protection Act. I was a reading Nina say hello. Our area wouldn't say our area emra. Your warrior a mamre council warrior, what worry. But move to me for BB engagement. Nami who are nani panoso, our area rebusia form university. Yeah, mamre near you council, Sunny define our area, say a union between two families. It is so council near so worry, no fine. But I'm rather who I was so using. Our Arabia no chess a crochet gown. Our Arabia Arabia no say crochet suit. Kente, now more permanent, more transit crowd, and part of it. Oh no, maybe yeah, so be a Jumano, a group pepper, so be a Brahman who can so to me set up in the office.
Okay.
And a Jume be a Monsono. ye jume bia o emrada ho je also sunya legal department. And these are some of the things, and fortunately some companies have started doing it. And the lawyers there, yes, you produce a way there Bible say woman mumini uchabre ndua ye be bi afri mu ne sa ne manema no wa utimi no obeko. But as far as I'm concerned, there was a they to kwemu no bi da make ya boa say be ba ha make say muni legal, but you need it. You need it. Because obiba na obaba be ye ejuma wa ha no ma, what is the relationship like? Your managing director should have a lawyer advising him who he brings to the studio and all that.
Lawyer, let's take a look at